Hello, you guys, look at this baby. How cute is this little guy? Oh, this is Barkley. He is Maureen, our founder and CEO's rescue puppy, and his name's Barkley, and he's so cute, and I just love him. He's a mix, and today he is going to be my co-star as we do a fun eye look. Not him, me. I'll be doing the eye look. Using our Young, Wild, and Cruelty-Free palette. And I'm gonna hold him while I do it because he just wants loves. Like, even if I put him down, he's like trying to like, boop, 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 trying to jump up to get on my lap. So I'm gonna hold him. He's gonna help me. And I love him so much. I just love him. And I just wanna apologize for my hair because no matter what I do, it is so frizzy because it is so humid here on the East Coast. So I apologize if it looks super messy today because I don't know. Even if I put it up, like frizzes are shooting out the side, so can't win, can't win. All right, I love you. Okay, we're gonna start out, let's do like a really pretty warm golden bronze eye. Okay, we're gonna start out with the shade, sorry love. He's trying to bite all my fingers, so I really only have one hand to use right now. See that orangey shade right off to the side called You Can Do It? Let me see if you can see it right here. We're gonna apply this all over our crease. Then we're gonna take this shimmery champagne shade called Elephant, and we're gonna apply this all over our lid up towards the crease. Then we're gonna take this beautiful gold shade called Monkey Business and apply it all over our lower lash line. So I'm gonna go in with that really pretty shade and pop it right in my crease. I hope this turns out okay, because he's a squirming merman right now. Where you going? Where do you think you're going? Okay, he's biting my arm. I don't even care. It is your chew toy today. Go for it. I love how this looks. This color reminds me of the macaroni and cheese colored crayon when I was a kid. I love that color orange. It was so pretty. And it looks exactly like this. All right, let's do the other eye. He's still here, just so you know, he's just biting my arm. Okay. Little love bug chewing away. I want to know what type of pet you guys have at home. If you have one, let me know in the comment section below. If it's a dog, a cat, a guinea pig, a hamster, whatever, and let me know what their name is because I feel like animal names are so fun. I just love them. Oh my god, he's like sleeping on me right now. He's so cute. I'm gonna hold you like a little baby. All right, now we're gonna take that shade Elephant and we're gonna apply that all over our lid. All right, Barkley, hang with me, my friend. Chew my finger. Go ahead. Ooh, this is such a pretty shade. And I want you guys to notice there is no fallout. This palette is well made. And again, cruelty-free, just like all of our products, because we're a cruelty-free brand for 19 years. I'm gonna do this eye. He is so good. This dog is so chill. Maureen, I'm stealing him. I'm just kidding, I'm not stealing him. Her boys would be so upset. Little love. Oh. He is just like all snuggles and love. Okay, Barkley's still right here on my lap, just so you guys know. He hasn't moved. He's actually staring at himself in the palette mirror, and it's so cute. I wish you could see this. Oh, who's that? Is that you? Okay, now I'm gonna take that really pretty gold shade Monkey Business, and we're just gonna bring that right along our lower lash line. I'm gonna come in close actually for this part so you guys can see. He just like lays on me. He loves me and I love him. Okay, while he's napping on me just like this, I'm going to apply a couple coats of our Big Ego mascara. This is the deluxe size that actually comes with the palette. So when you get the palette, this is included inside it. It has this patented hourglass shaped brush with twisted double fiber bristles, so it grabs and coats each and every last lash while like hugging like the natural curve of your eye shape. It's amazing. So I'm gonna go in, do a couple coats while he's taking a snooze on my shoulder. This little baby. Oh. I have no idea what my lashes look like right now, but I Also, if you're wondering what I'm wearing on my face right now, I am wearing our Babasu Vegan Skincare Foundation. I love it so much. It makes my skin glow. And you're getting like serum, foundation, and SPF all in one. Alright guys, I feel like this came out really good. You just saw me do this while holding a puppy. And he is so good. He is out sleeping. He's so tired. Alright guys, I'm going to sign off in the most gentle voice I've ever done on here because this little guy is just trying to catch some Z's and snooze. So thank you so much for hanging out with us. And until next time, take care, turtle.